Breaking news on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We've got 3 major updates. 2 are awesome, but 1 might disappoint. What's up guys, Atif here, and we're diving deep into Samsung's 2026 strategy. Let's start with the good stuff. Thinner than ever. Samsung's 2025 motto? Go thin or go home. The S25 Edge? Ultra slim. The Z Fold 7? Record-breaking thin. And now, the S26 Ultra is taking it further. Leaker Ice Universe confirms it'll drop to just 7.x millimeters thick, down from 8.2 millimeters on the S25 Ultra. Even the base S26 and S26 Plus are hitting 6.x millimeters. How? Thinner camera lenses thanks to the Alex report and silicon carbon batteries. More power in less space. But here's the catch, pause for drama. If Samsung uses this tech just to match the same 5,000 mAh battery, while Chinese brands push 6,000 mAh, that's a missed opportunity. Slim is cool, but battery life is king. The goodish camera upgrades. Next up, cameras. The S26 Ultra's 3 telephoto is getting a bump. 10 megapixels to 12 megapixels, with a larger sensor for better low-light shots. The base S26? It's finally scoring a new 50 megapixels GN series sensor exact model TBA. But here's the kicker. The bad. Cost-cutting disappointment. Remember those rumors of a 200 megapixels super zoomed lens combining 3x and 5x? Scrapped. Why? Samsung's chip division is bleeding money, so the mobile team got orders to play it safe. No bold experiments, just incremental upgrades. Result? While Xiaomi and Vivo push boundaries, Samsung's playing catch-up. A 12 megapixels 3x lens isn't bad, but it's like ordering steak and getting a burger. Bonus: S26 Plus or Edge. One last twist. The S26 Plus might get replaced by the S26 Edge if the S25 Edge sells well. So far, not happening. For now, expect the Plus to stick around. So what's your take? Is slim and safe the right move, or should Samsung risk big to compete? Drop a comment, and if you want to see Samsung's crazy thin Z Fold 7, click right here. I'll see you in that video. Smash that like button if you want more S26 leaks, and subscribe for the latest tech deep dives. This is Atif Official signing off.